Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go to the application. Firstly, we need to pair this speaker with a phone, so open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that we need to turn on the speaker, so at the top we have all these controls and we need this power button. Just press one time on it and you will turn on your speaker. If your speaker have no connection, it will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually by press one time at this Windows button. And you will also see it at the device list. After that, tap on your speaker, and if you have Android, also click Pair. Here we go, we just connected it, so we can hide the settings and open SOUNDCORE application. Click Add Device, and then you can click at the speaker icon here. And here's our speaker, so tap on it. You can accept or decline it, it's up to you, I'm going to decline. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!